Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the Monzo credit card, also known as Monzo Flex. Now, in order to actually see if you're eligible for the Monzo Flex card, you must actually head over to the Monzo app first. This can't be done on your PC, so make sure you do download the app and sign into here before you start. From here, you should be able to see this red box at the top, which is probably blurred out on your screen. And this will actually show us our Monzo bank details as well as our balance. However, if you click on it, it will take us to our Monzo card as you can see on the screen now. But if we swipe to the left, we'd actually get taken to this Flex credit card, and this is how we can get the Monzo credit card. So you must actually first scroll down to the bottom and you'll see this button that says see if you're eligible. So we can click on this. From here, it's asking me to confirm my identity. So now that I've verified my identity, I now need to answer these questions, which Monzo say takes less than 5 minutes. So we can scroll down and we can see the sort of questions they ask us. This is related to employment, how much money we earn, and all the financial stuff like this, which will help them to determine whether they can give you a credit card. So you must just want to answer these questions honestly, and at the bottom, you can go ahead and click Submit. From there, Monzo will let you know if you've been accepted for the Monzo Flex credit card. And if you have been accepted, they will send it out to you. And once you receive it, you'll be able to use it like any other credit card. So that's how you can get a Monzo credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.